Since the pandemic started, how many times have you sneezed or coughed in public and felt panic that people would judge you? The pandemic completely changed social etiquette when it comes to coughing, sneezing, and having allergy season symptoms, and a new study conducted by OnePoll for Flonase found that over half feel judged when they sneeze in public, even if they're wearing a mask. The top thoughts that pop into Americans' heads when they're fighting a sneeze or a cough are great, now people think I'm sick, or I promise I'm not sick, and even I hope I don't have snot in my mask now. With all these thoughts haunting them, it's not surprising that 59% of respondents agree that sneezing and allergy attacks come at the worst time. On the other hand, respondents for the Flonase study found that when people see someone else sneeze, many immediately say bless you, but only for up to 3 consecutive sneezes. People also think to themselves, I hope they're not sick, or I hope it's just allergies. Nearly half say they're dreading allergy season now because of the added stress due to the pandemic.